Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be cooking up for Jace. I know a lot of you guys been wanting this, so I'm going to be, cooking up a little something for Jace. Yeah, let's get straight into Alright, so I got these pics right here. Let's go through them one by one. Boom, boom, boom. So these are just like fresh pics, basically. And yeah, we're just going to be cooking up with these bitches. So I'm just gonna cut all of these out. Actually, I'm gonna upscale them first. What I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna, go ahead and cut these out. And yeah, I'll be back to you guys in a minute. But yeah, I'm just gonna turn this into a little smart object. And then we're gonna cut this car, or I might just leave it in because it has the, the light and shit. Kind of fuck with that. We can definitely, work with that. But I might cut out the ceiling and the wall just to kind of just separate it a bit. So for this, I'm just going to use the lasso tool because I don't really want it to be perfect. Just for this, kind of just how I want it. So with the polygonal lasso tool, what happens is you just kind of create points and it's just kind of very sharp. But if you want like smoother points, you just click like a lot, like in different like directions, and you can just kind of mess around with it. Yeah, really fuck with this tool, really far. Then we're just gonna connect it all the way back, just to kind of create that. You feel me? So we're just gonna control Shift I, inverse it, and then we're just gonna cut it out. I might cut out these little sections too, actually. That shit is looking ass as fuck. But with a background behind it, it would look decent. So I'm trying to see what I want to do with this. So we're gonna start off with just a little gradient map. Turn the background black. Yeah. So we're just gonna work on this image first. And I kind of like this shadow kind of look, where the lights are like the main focus. So, oops, let me just erase that. Yeah. And maybe just bring it down a bit, just make it a bit more dynamic, I guess. But yeah, we definitely want to bring these highlights out. I think that would look fire. Fast foot. Let's see. And then we can do some highlights on him. Just do like some small shit. Bring the flow down to like 2%. Put that linear dodge. Just make that shit stand out a little bit. Keep doing it on the arms. Kind of just around the areas that are already highlighted, like down here. Gonna get curves in. Bring the curves down a little bit. Bring the lightness up. Create that little S formation. Vibrance. Curves and shit. Feel me? I'm gonna definitely put some like more like highlights on this, so just get the blue, just kind of just put that right there. Put that to linear dodge. Bring it down a bit. Boom. And I'm gonna just merge all that shit together. Well, I'm gonna merge with the black background. Just so nothing bad happens. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and go into my adjustment pack. I'm just gonna try and find some more ideas. If you guys do want to go ahead and check this out, make sure you guys do go ahead and go to the link in the description. Alright, so this is what the pack actually looks like. So I just want to hide the top layer, and yeah, you can just go around and go through all these. I'm gonna go and bring in my image. I do have some test images in there, just like preview covers and shit like that, but we are going to just merge all of this together. Once you have it in, you just want to bring it into this little test images folder here, and you can just go through them. These are all from, you know, previous covers, just all handmade. So yeah, if you guys do want to kind of go for the same style as me, literally like same shit, you guys can get this. Like, I have some crazy grunge effects, and you can literally just make shit boom just like that. And you can finish the cover here. Like, I'm just gonna Control J this. I'm gonna flip it upside down. I'm gonna flip it vertical too, or horizontal. I'm gonna push it up like so, just to get these blues in. And what I'm gonna do is just hit good blend modes, and you just want to go through them. You'll get these like crazy ass looks, and you'll kind of generate ideas, you know, kind of like a little vision in your head on what looks good and what you can do with it. So yeah, I usually go with like linear dodge because the colors are really nice, and then I go ahead, get a mask, get my brush tool, and just kind of get rid of some parts. And bring some back in. Just like, you just have to mess around with it and see what looks fire. Like this kind of looking hard. See, I'll fuck with that. I'm gonna bring this all the way down. So what you want to do with the kind of textures, you kind of just want to bring them down below, and then bring the fill down a bit more. Yeah, I'm fucking with this. Yes sir, yes sir. Alright, bet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drag this in back into the actual project. And so it's looking a bit weird because we already have some adjustments. Just turn them off. And yeah, this is the look we have. I'm fucking with it. I'm fucking with it. I'm gonna kind of scale it up a little bit more. I don't really need that little part in the middle or at the bottom, but yeah, we can still have it, like, because there's a lot of empty space, so we can just vertical flip it. Like, you guys can do some crazy shit. Like, what I'm doing here isn't anything special. It's just like being creative with it, and kind of just like, you know, if you literally followed videos step by step, bro, you guys can make some crazy shit. But yeah, I really like this. You know, when I'm recording, you know, it's kind of fucked up. My PC kind of lags. But yeah, that's basically the end of this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe. Also, make sure you guys do go ahead and check out this adjustment pack. It's really crazy. I also have other packs on there if you guys do want them. I have videos on them in the past. Yeah.